How to export to Excel on Monday. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can export a board to your Excel on monday.com. So let's get started. It's really easy to do. What you have to do is simply open up your workspace and select the board you want to export. Now this is the board that I have selected. Simply click on these three dots right here and you're gonna click on more action. In more actions, you can see save as template, and the second option is export board to Excel. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on export board to Excel, include updates or include sub items. So I'm gonna go with include updates, both of these, and click on export. Just a moment, we're exporting the data. Your board is ready. So now they have actually exported my board to my Excel. So I'm just going to open it up. And there you go. You can see my board has been exported to Excel. And this is how you can also go ahead and export data from Monday to Excel. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.